these cute wool balls? Well, what if I told you that they could reduce your laundry drying time by 25%? Your clothes are going to be less wrinkled, less staticky, and softer. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I thought so too, and then I tried them, and let me tell you, they do all of that. And the best part is they're 100% natural. So if you've been using dryer sheets or fabric softeners, it's time to say goodbye to all those harsh chemicals. Now this is a dryer sheet. If you're using these, that's what your clothes are coated with and your skin. This is Woolzies. Because they're made from 100% natural New Zealand wool, there is no residue at all. They bounce around in your dryer, and the gentle friction of the wool is going to soften and fluff your laundry fibers. And the bouncing action actually lifts and separates your laundry, so it's going to dry faster and more evenly. Since each set of Woolzies is going to last for about 1,000 loads, they end up costing about 8 times less than traditional fabric softeners and dryer sheets, and that is going to save you a ton of money. I can't wait for you to start using your Woolzies because you are going to love what they do for your laundry and for your wallet.